And finally, we have the header and footer layouts. So from my home or my main page inside the editor, if I click on the header and then choose header layout, I can actually customize the way my header looks like. So I can choose it to be side menu layout, which looks kind of like this. I can choose it to be two row or a single row header. I can choose whether to have the search functionality or not on my site. I can choose it to scroll with my page or stand on the top of the page only. I can choose my logo position, so left or right. I can even choose center in certain configurations. So if I have a two-row header, then I can choose a center position for my logo. I can choose my logo size. I can choose where to position my cart and user icons when I have a two-row header. I can choose the font size. I can choose the font margin, the font weight. Basically, I can do as many customizations as I need. Even further, I can add pinned links, which kind of look like this. Let's say I want to add my LinkedIn. So I find the LinkedIn icon and then add some link to my LinkedIn account, and then maybe to my Facebook. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn. This is my Facebook, and this is my Facebook link. I can save that, and then I'm going to have my pinned links on every page in the same position right here. Furthermore, you can add additional content to your header, which is basically a custom section that you have created or a partial. So you can create your entirely customized navigation. All right, so I'm going to reset this, save it, and let's go to the footer layout. So we scroll down to the footer, we click on the footer, and now in here we have two methods of creating the footer layout. The first method is by using our predefined columns. So I just click on add column. I choose what type of column I want. Let's say I want my newsletter column. I give it a title, and in here I can see my newsletter. I can see my newsletter functionality right here. The nice thing about the footer layout is that I can add as many columns as I need, and they're going to be automatically positioned, so it will always look nice. Now I have a second option, which is to create an entirely custom footer as a custom page partial, and just set it from here. I can also use a combination of the two, but you can try it out for yourselves and see what works best for you.